Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a book review on Crystals for Beginners. This book is amazing. I don't do a whole bunch of book reviews, but this book was amazing. There's so much information within this book. You know, whenever you're looking for books, you're not sure just seeing the cover and the brief, description of the book, what all that book is going to contain. And I will be the first to tell you that this book has a lot of information. Especially for me, it was good because I am new to crystals. I'm starting out my collection, and there's a lot of information that I don't know. So this is a great book. So I'm just going to go over some parts of this book, and I'm also going to insert pictures instead of trying to show you guys the parts of the book. That way you guys can actually see it a little bit better, I think. So just going over the contents of the book. We have an introduction to crystals and crystal healing. Then we have a few chapters following it. Then part 2 is deepen your knowledge of crystals, and there's several parts to that. Then we have improve your life with crystals, and we have several parts to that. So the next part that I have, just quote the book here, I should say. It's something whenever I'm trying to explain the purpose of crystals and crystal healing, a lot of people don't understand. So I really like how she had put the words, the way that she worded this. So she had wrote in here, experiencing the vibration. As with all matter, crystals have their own vibration. The human body also has its own vibration and is subject to entrainment when it comes in contact with other vibrations. So when you work with crystals, they can change your own body, mind, and spirit energies through entrainment. The crystal's vibration may change a little as well. Because the crystals generally have higher vibrations than the human body, they tend to raise your vibrations. Vibrating at a higher rate is helpful for humans because it allows us to advance spiritually and move in a more positive direction mentally, physically, and emotionally. So I really like how she described it. So I have a lot of parts. I just love this book. And I love the fact that there's pictures, and they're color pictures, so it really helps. Another part in here, she does go into different myths, the feeling of the crystal energy. And the one thing that she put in here, which is a good note, is to set any preconceived notions aside. You don't want to come in thinking this and this and this is going to happen, or this isn't going to happen. You want to have an open mind when you're trying to use crystals for healing. So additionally in this book, she lists off her 10 crystals that she feels are her crystal workhorses, and it includes the description and pictures. She also includes the sacred geometry of the cut stones and gives you the definitions. This book just has so much information that really is helpful. We also have information about pairing crystals, what to pair together, and what the outcome will be. It goes into chakras and different colors, and a description of what the different colors for the crystals mean, which I really enjoy that. Gives you I just love this book. Then she goes into 10 crystals for everyone, and she gives a description of the crystal itself, puts in a picture of the crystal, offers the origin, what it helps with, what it works with, usage tips, and insert that photo as well. And so she goes in with 10 different crystals. Then following this, we also have 40 crystals to know, and we have the same information as what was given with the previous 10. So really, you're getting 50 descriptions on crystals. And I'm like, wow, this is really neat. I like having the paperback version That way it's hands-on. I'm able to go to it whenever I want. I don't have to try to pull up an app or try to look online to try to find, meanings. I'm able just to look at my book and it has all the information right there. Another thing that I really enjoyed about this book is the crystal prescriptions. And I like the wording, crystal prescriptions, but she gives different ways that you can use the crystals for different topics like abuse, addiction, I mean there's several in here, anger, anxiety, and she gives different options for each one of those as well. She may offer a crystal grid, or telling you a certain crystal that you should hold and things of that nature. Balance. I mean, this book has so much information. It just blows my mind. It's like a crystal book for dummies. Then I also liked identifying your crystal. There's a color guide, and she goes through the different colors and offers, the crystals that lie within those colors, which is really good because sometimes you may purchase a crystal and you may not have, it may not be labeled, so you may not know exactly what it is. You just know that it's a crystal. That's another thing as well. Speaking of crystal, this book also goes into what are crystals, what are rocks, so forth. So it gives you that information. There's also a glossary as well as resources. So there's websites that you can go to for different crystals. There are books. She also offers apps. I mean, this book is absolutely amazing. I think it was only $10 on Amazon. On the back of it, it says that it should be $14.99. I absolutely love this book. So I hope that you guys check this book out. It's absolutely amazing. And hats off to the author. I am very pleased. So I hope that you guys check this book out. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Goodbye for now.